Okay, good. Now, starting from we are now we have done this table. ठीक है, टेबल के नीचे जो MCQ मटेरियल है हम वो करने लगे. The first one is farmers lung disease is due to grain dust. ठीक है, देखो नाम से ही समझ आ रही है कि जो farmers lung disease है वो grain dust से जो है वो हो रही है. ठीक है, the next one is a farmer presents with right lower lobe coin like mass 3.4 centimeter in size. The most common cause is aspergillosis. ठीक है, फार्मर्स के अंदर क्या है हमारे पास एस्परजिलोसिस जो है वो कॉज है. The next is gardener presented with chronic cough. An X-ray shows 2.5 calcified mass. The diagnosis is aspergillosis. ठीक है, फार्मर से रिलेटेड, गार्डनर से रिलेटेड आपको सिनेरियो आता है तो ये क्या है, एस्परजिलोसिस है. Farmer's right lung calcification causes aspergillosis. A man who is a gardener for the last 15 years present with sore throat for 1 week. He also gives history of previous chest pain with no other symptoms. Chest X-ray shows round calcified mass in right lung lower lobe. What is the diagnosis? It is aspergillosis. IV drug user with recent travel history presents with short cough and shortness of breath. Investigations reveals multiple cavitary lesions in entire lungs and nodular lesions. The organisms is aspergillosis. ठीक है, आईवी ड्रग अब्यूजर्स के अंदर भी जो हमारे पास रेस्पिरेटरी सिम्टम्स कॉज कर रहा है वो क्या है, एस्परजिलोसिस है. A man who is a gardener for past 15 years presents with sore throat. ठीक है, sore throat for 1 week. He gives history of previous chest pain with no other symptoms. Chest X-ray shows a round calcified mass in the right lower lobe lung. तो ये हमारे पास aspergillosis. A farmer is suffering from nasal congestion, severe cough and episodic dyspnea. Chest X-ray, the physician found a mass. His IgE and eosinophils raised, levels are increased. It is due to aspergillosis. The next one is a 41 years old woman has 1 year's history of episodic dyspnea. On physical examination, there are expiratory wheezes. Her chest radiographs show small 0.5 centimeter perihilar nodules. Laboratory studies shows an elevated serum IgE along with the peripheral blood eosinophilia. Sputum sample shows eosinophils in it. Which of the following pathologic finds are more likely to present in her bronchi? तो it is non-invasive aspergillosis. ठीक है, ये है हमारे पास नॉन इन्वेजिव एस्परजिलोसिस का केस. क्लियर. Okay, the next one is a 12 years old child presents with cough and wheezing for last 7 years. X-ray shows bilateral bronchiectasis. Examination shows thick sputum containing eosinophils, so it is a scenario aspergillosis. Rhinosinusitis reports invasion of the lamina media, ठीक है, extensive endothelial damage and thrombosis. The most likely diagnosis is mucormycosis. आज के हाई हील्ड पॉइंट्स में मेंशन कर दें कि जो म्यूकोरमाइकोसिस है वो लेमिना मीडिया को इन्वेड करता है. म्यूकोरमाइकोसिस, आगे एरो और लिखो इन्वेजन ऑफ लेमिना मीडिया. लिख लिया. The next is a patient complains of chest pain. He has a past history of working in textile mill for 20 years. देखें, टेक्सटाइल मिल में वो 20 years के लिए काम कर रहा था. तो टेक्सटाइल से कॉटन डस्ट से रिलेटेड हमारे पास क्या था, बेसिनोसिस. ठीक है, बेसिनोसिस occurs in people working in textile industry. Cotton dust is the causative agent. The next is main cause of farmer lung disease. Main cause of farmers lungs disease, the organism is Microspora faini. ठीक है, Micropolis parafaini is the most common causative agent in farmers microorganism which is involved in farmers lungs disease. A man with no cough and fever, ठीक है, chest x-ray shows diffuse lung fibrosis, so it is inorganic dust inhalation. Clear. No cough, no fever, chest x-ray shows diffuse lung fibrosis, तो inorganic dust. आज के अगले हाई पॉइंट पे आप लिखो डिफ्यूज लंग फाइब्रोसिस, आगे एरो लिखो कि इनऑर्गेनिक डस्ट। कोई और सिम्टम नहीं है, लेकिन अगर तो पेशेंट का क्या है, डिफ्यूज लंग फाइब्रोसिस है, तो इट इज़ ड्यू टू इनहेलेशन ऑफ इनऑर्गेनिक डस्ट मटीरियल। क्लियर? The next one is 40 years old male presents with shortness of breath and slowly progressive cough. Chest X-ray shows diffuse interstitial fibrosis. Cause likely is the inorganic dust. ठीक है, ये जो हमारे पास है ये क्या है, inorganic dust की वजह से shortness of breath है और फिर slowly progressive cough है। अब नीचे देखिएगा, this also comes as a known smoker presented with progressive dyspnea but no cough for over 15 years. Chest X-ray shows diffuse interstitial patches all over the lungs. Rest of the examination is normal. तो ये हमारे पास क्या, inorganic dust. When it is mentioned कि ये diffuse interstitial patches है मौजूद, तो it is due to inorganic dust inhalation. A man presents with shortness of breath, SOB है. Chest X-ray shows diffuse interstitial fibrosis. The likely cause is inorganic dust inhalation. Clear? Are you guys with me? हम साथ साथ चल रहे हैं? ओके